In this video, I'm going to show you how to decrease by purling two together. You will see this written in a pattern as P2TOG. And on my swatch here, I have a row of purls. And so normally you would purl two together or kind of follow that pattern that you've got. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my right needle and I'm going to insert it purl-wise into the first stitch and also the second stitch. Then I'm going to wrap my yarn around, and then I'm going to pull it back, and then I'm going to drop those two stitches off. Now you see I only have one stitch on there. I started my swatch with 20 stitches on there, and I should end up with 10, so I'll go through the next two. Go through as if to purl, wrap your yarn around, and then drop those two off. Go through the next two, wrap the yarn, pull through the back, and drop those off. Now we'll just continue this to the end so that you can see. My stitches are a little tight. You can see what it looks like with the 10 stitches versus the 20 stitches. And you would basically do this to finish off a hat when you need decreases at the top or to reduce a stitch count in a pattern. So we will just get to the end, go through the two, drop those off, a couple more here. Didn't realize I had such tight stitches. And the last two. And then we will drop that and I'll show you what it looks like. See how it kind of tightens it up, but it gives you that purl decreased look. And that's how you do the purl two together. Thank you for watching this tutorial. The items in this video are linked in the description. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe.